There we go. Okay, I just need a little practice, guys, that's all. From Banggood, we have another little micro RC car here. This one is a 43rd scale RC drift car, and it looks like it's all-wheel drive, and it actually looks like it's got a metal body, at least. Headlights, fully proportional controls, and it looks like it comes in a bunch of different colors, like maybe a couple Porsches and some GTRs. I opted for the Porsche because, well, Porsche, so. All right, let's rip it open. So we got the manual right here. Looks like the car's there, some spare tires. These are rubber, right? You know, it's got some rubber tires, a screwdriver, the controller, some cones, 3, a charger, and oh, it's purple. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be yellow. I guess it's probably marked, right? No, it's not marked. I do believe maybe I requested purple. It's been a while since I got the email, so yeah, okay. It's got suspension up front. It's not licensed, but my, is it close. I don't really know what that badge says, but yeah, I like the paint on this. I think it's a really, really nice looking paint. It does actually look like it has a full function servo here. It's not just, you know, snapping left or right. All right, I'm actually thinking this thing looks really cool, so we'll go ahead and charge it up, and then we'll bring it outside and see how it goes around my pool area. Quickly before we get started, guys, I just want to point out the gyro right here. That's gonna help keep you stabilized. We're outside by the pool. I think this surface should be just perfect for it. Man, it sure is a looker, is it not? On the remote here, we got steering trim. I think this right here is a gyro, high, low speed, and lights. We're gonna start in low speed, right? There's only 2. Yes. Yeah, this drift's pretty good. This is with the gyro completely off. Let's try high speed. I mean, it drifts pretty good without the gyro. I'm actually kind of impressed. Let's try with the gyro. We'll do 50% on the gyro. Oh yeah, it definitely makes a difference. Let's not drive into the pool. All right, now let's put the gyro all the way up. I actually don't really like it too much with the gyro all the way on. I feel like it has a little bit less turn in than at 50%. Let's go back to 50. Oh yeah, you get way more turn. I wonder why that is. I guess it's just trying its best to keep it straight. I mean, for being a little die-cast metal body car, I'd say it's pretty dang good. I think this is probably great on a tabletop, although it does need a lot of room to drive, so it's not like one of those 1/64th scale drift cars. I mean, it looks great. First of all, the color. Love purple. Purple, big fan of purple cars. The taillights actually turn on when you hit reverse, too. And of course, we got a button, and I think it does flashing lights, too, right? Yeah. We got flashing lights, we got underglow, or you can have them off, or you can have them solid. But overall, I mean, it ain't bad. Links are in the description, guys, if you want to pick one up for yourself. I'm actually enjoying it a lot. I've had a few drift cars on this channel. This is probably one of the better ones. Let me go get the cones and see if we can do some tricks. Alright, I got the little cones here. Let's see if I can manage to not hit these. Well, that was fast. Yeah, this thing's actually pretty cool. I mean, I wouldn't expect too much out of it, but for a little micro, I think the wheels turn one way too much. It's causing it to, I think a little bit of practice gets you a little bit better at it. Cones are useless for me. There we go. Oh. Let's see if I can just go in circles around one. I'm gonna have to push it a little bit. There we go. I mean, yeah, it's my first time playing with it, so obviously I'm not a professional, but this thing's actually pretty cool, and I don't see this as, oh, that was clean. Can I do it again? No. Let's keep trying it. Oh, I should have stayed sideways. There we go. Okay, I just need a little practice, guys, that's all. Oh, don't go in the pool. That's the most important part. It does look like wider drifts way better than it does tight ones. Because if I want to go wide, I have no problem. That's pretty much what I was initially doing when I first started playing with it. As soon as you try to get technical... Oh, that was clean. Can I do it on this side? The gyro works pretty good. But yeah, you want like wide drifts. It's not so good with small, tight turns. Once again, it comes from Banggood, so thank you to Banggood for hooking it up for the channel. Links will be in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. I think it's pretty cool. I'll give it a solid 7 out of 10. And my favorite part is that it's die cast. And oh boy, look at the sun check on that beautiful purple paint. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. We'll see you in the next one. Boy, that is pretty, is it not? Later.